Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we've got a special unboxing of one of our premium Premier SQ products, which is our ZQ12 channel DSP. So this is designed specifically for sound quality applications, and it is a 12 channel DSP. So let's open it up and take a look. So like with all of our ZQ products, they are premium and high-end. So what do we get? The first thing you'll see is the birth certificate for the product. So every single product from the ZQ range in the amplifiers and the DSPs will come with this birth certificate. It gives you information about the audio test and the quality test, which is signed off for by our engineering team, hand signed, and each product has a serial number unique to it. So you get your birth certificate, and then obviously you get your manual for the ZQ range. Now the ZQ range has a high range of amplifiers. So we've got multi-channel amplifiers, we've got mono amplifiers, and we've got the DSPs. And that comes with full, as you can see, very detailed booklet of how to install the amplifiers, how to install the DSPs, how to use them, etc., etc. So you can see everything in here is there. This section here is for anything with the DSP. So you can see you've got a QR code there for how to download the software. And of course, we've got the 12 channel DSP, which is the one we've got in front of me here. Again, it gives you all the information about the product. So let's take a look at the amplifier itself and what comes in the box. So right here, you can see our 12 channel DSP. So this is very high end and it's gold and black, just like us here at Phoenix Gold. So let's take this out and we'll have a look what comes in the box and also look a bit at the amplifier itself. So first thing is our PC cable. So this cable here is what will link the DSP to your laptop or your PC in order to do your tuning of the DSP itself. So we have USB one end, and then we have our connector that goes into the DSP on the other. We then have our Bluetooth antenna. So this fits onto the DSP amplifier here, screws on into the side, and then that'll give you your signal there for Bluetooth. So if you want to stream, then that will allow you to stream directly to the DSP from a phone or any Bluetooth device using the antenna. We also then have all our mounting screws. We also have anti-vibration feet on there as well. Just to man that in a place where it might move, you've got some anti-vibration parts with that as well. We then have our power loom. So your main power, earth, and then you've got remote on there as well. And that's on a small Molex connector. And then for high level input, we also have a high level input loom as well. So with this DSP, this is our premium product. So everything in the SQ range from us in the ZQ comes with a two-layered PCBs, which are immersed in gold. So everything is gold plated. So we can see here that we have all gold plated Tiffany RCAs on here. All the Bluetooth connectors are gold plated. Everything on this connector is gold plated, including everything on the PCB as well. So everything there is designed to the top level we could possibly do. Now, the DSP is our premium DSP chipset. Everything is there to be able to get the most out of your system. So with it being 12 channels, you can then essentially run a full 12 channel system from the vehicle. So you can run a 3-way up front, which will give you 6 channels, a pair of subwoofers, which will then obviously give you 8 channels, and you've got spare channels to do rears. You can do 4-way front end. There's many things that you can do with the system. Now, if we just look at what we've got in terms of inputs and outputs on the DSP itself. So what we have is, of course, we have the 12 channels of output. But in terms of input, obviously we have Bluetooth. We have the optical, which is a digital input connection. We also have, obviously, RCA input, coaxial input, and we also have USB input as well. So what this allows you to do is if you're using such a thing like a high level audio player, you can use the USB input, and you can also use the optical, which will mean you're lossless in terms of your sound input. And these can all be output to any of the ZQ series amplifiers, such as 2 6 channels or a 6 channel with a mono, and allow you to have full control. So that is the ZQ12 channel DSP from our premium sound quality range. There's many other amplifiers in the range, but that is that model unboxed.